TJ, the topic today.
Sweet, of course, TJ body biggie.
Yeah, you see?
Me come show you. Me say me any day Maya come into me gone with that. No, everything just in line neat, man. I body like that for suck. It's like how happy wife I go home in a misery.
You know, your happy wife I said she want bamboo. You know, your happy wife the same like how out there pray for my people. When I pray for me. See, happy wife said she want.
All you prayer warriors who pray whole day and whole night, that's, you know, they are hospice at the company, they are the yard come here. You see the same way as how they can pray? That's me start eat up, me start sleep or me start whatever. I someone to pray for me get some bamboo. You mean so almost 1 year past I not get no bamboo, you know. It's just a walk up and now with him big, strong, sexy self all over the house and no bamboo. So I want to now go back to the same God with the same approach. Just like how I pray for my health, pray for me get some bamboo. Nobody should live without bamboo. Bamboo is important. And then I have to make so little pillar to catch me neck.
Then I lower body at work.
He said she want bamboo do so a woman can't live without bamboo.
I lower body at work, may I ask
You
you?
look so.
Then how fear body come so? Then it look like say from a pum pum go down now work.
Everywhere I work, man.
Everywhere work? Then why she not come here?
She so cool, man. She want bamboo.
Then I the lady for medication she
Yeah, she still want bamboo.
I fear come supposed to turn dust.
That's why she said when they walk up and down with the big bamboo.
Chris. I eat make she not go home yet. You know, say if Chris could have just lay the cocky in the casket, the lady go home. Home sweet home.
But feel like I eat cherry pan for go home.
I eat she want one more grind. But she could have did pan Chris body. I don't think her lower body at work. She forgot suck it here, man.
She forgot what?
She forgot suck it.
I remember she not breathe so proper, so it can't stifle her too.
So she gonna suck it with the hose?
No, she not even nose again.
Oh, she not with you.
She not even nose.
And I see happy wife of nature.
Yeah.
Nice see. And we can't even find mine.
I can't leave she now.
I leave she long time. She out pan dinner and shrimp. And of course the people living in her chat.
Shadow?
Of course the people living in her chat.
Yeah, but I know.
She eat her shrimp. The child live life for me and Jaden. That's what you know. And she do her here, my love.
But you have big in front of you.
That's all. Me have a shrimp she and yam.
But remember you have only one shrimp still in her fridge.
Them no cook.
Nobody cook swim.
Yeah, that's what she had read. No, she had living in the future.
No, yeah, she had where you just, we had a long time.
Must when I say girl out pan dinner date, it hurt me, say.
She had put in.
Then you hear Queenie in the background still. Queenie did, you know, say Queenie I go home in an echo. Queenie I go home in an echo.
TJ, the topic today.
Sweet, of course, TJ body biggie.
Yeah, you see?
Me come show you. Me say me any day Maya come into me gone with that.
They big.
What? No, everything just in line neat, man. I body like that for suck.
TJ, the topic today.
Sweet, of course, TJ body biggie. TJ and Maya relationship, never a we see it worthwhile, a we see it fruitful. We choose to see what we want to see. So how can we hold TJ and Maya accountable? Are we see where we want to see? No, me no say, when you do everything, them still. Why are you doing everything? That's the big question of the day. Alright? So you see, them argument, them to look on them argument, because if you live with a man and you love the man, you understand the man, you know the man wrongs, you choose to sweep it under the carpet and hoping that it get better. You understand me? No. If that's what you choose, it simply means you can handle it. True or false? Then why am I having a fit? Yannick did it to World Dog, and World Dog wanted a reason to leave. He wanted a reason to leave. We not hear TJ want a reason yet. Until then, we can say, Maya, I'm sorry for you. But for now, we don't know people's relationship, what a person can deal with in a relationship, and what they're bargaining for in a relationship, because obviously TJ ain't changing his attitude. Now, go again, TJ and Maya there, but yet still a lot of females can say, buddy, in my phone, in a TJ, in my inbox, in a TJ message me, TJ this. What does that say about the relationship itself? Simply means that a beautiful young lady must have heard the same way we are hearing it. Eh? The same way we are hearing it, she must have known it. You get what me I say? How did he got Maya?
You say, when you think you do something, you think you hide it, not hide?
No, not hide. And they knew.
And sometimes the same woman,
them know. Because a man cannot go to a woman without expecting that the woman one day will blow it up. You're trustworthy, you live with that woman in your yard.
And you have some of them to want to mash up your relationship too.
Definitely. Yeah. And some of them promise the man elbow and say, no, I'm cool with this.
Yeah, and
then feelings. But with a body like that, feelings should be attached for real. Feelings should be attached. That's a beautiful hood. Yeah. That body. That body. Wow. That's a body there. Yeah. It's true. It's just fair. Somebody say it leak, nothing a leak, cause a long time the video out there, nothing a leak. Nothing a leak. Anything a leak is their bottom. Anything is leaking is their bottom. Nothing a leak.
So what the girl do? What the girl do?
Me no business about the girl, but just me business about the body. Yes, Maya business about the girl.
This is about what? The girl come say
Maya would have know about the girl long time too. Because guess what? I know one time sex makes she breathe too. Oh. I know one time sex. Maya know about the girl. Remember we know about what mate? We know about what mate before the world know. And they will go like, oh God, mama not take she? You know me never know. You're too lie. Your attention cut into the house. The man start move sideways like him a wait pan pepper for serve. A crab. Eh? Them say the girl a breed. So them say me not know how true it is, so I wait 9 months.
What the girl there we are breed?
Why am I interested in the girl, you know? Just there.
You know what you're interested in. So what the girl that we are breed?
Me know.
Maya, I like to see that girl that we are breed.
Maya?
Yeah.
Maya know her.
Oh.
Maya can't say she don't know her. Maya know her. You see Maya cause? You see Maya have a problem with TJ ways? Me just want to not answer that. Maya never seemed upset at TJ before. She can mask things well. She can mask things well. She be I got a dream with you. Something enter your chest and bite you, but you pull it off. And nothing enter my chest, anything enter my chest I hold. And me bite it, and it pull out. Yeah. Nothing enter my chest, a body, cocky, but something enter my chest. Eh? I'ma pull it up. And it bite me. Bite me. When I me a walk I bite things. Go back, go dream, my love. Go back, go dream. Wrong chest, wrong bitten.
She eat late.
Yeah, she must eat late. I tell them about the cold stove out the door. Yeah, back to the matter at hand now. Nobody not sorry for Yannick though, you know. But everybody a question about Maya and I done TJ and nobody now done the world that. Eh? Nobody now done Lando for parking baby mother and take up Emmy. Until Emmy gone back and pick up back in baby mother with the zip shoes. Huh? Nobody now talk about that. TJ no need no church. No church. And let me say this, if we're not gonna blame TJ, blame Maya. Because as female, Maya would put herself in this position. You understand me? Because when a man there with you and tell you say him love you, but you hear say him holding another girl all, how does that work? That simply means that I can't fling my all over another man cocky. But no, I can't because all people are going to view me. So it's okay. So where does the respect come from now? Now, TJ supposed to show Maya respect. Don't. Okay, it is fine. Let's say TJ don't know how to show respect. Maya don't know values. Maya don't know values. Me just ask if she don't know values. Because it's not what I must show you, you know. It is what you deserve. You understand me? So we can't say anything at all. So we can't blame anybody but the outside girl for catching her belly. Cause you know you take people, man. Stack up on your birth control.
She could have feel like if she breathes him, she'll hold him now. She'll get him from Maya.
That is a wrong bet. A whole heap of time people buy cash pattern now, you know. Yeah? So how you think so? And even if no belly not involved, let me say this, for me come out in the public with the man, woman, and the man leave the woman yet and come to you. He's a dog and it's embarrassing. And like me I tell, you're a dog and it's embarrassing because guess what? Him done grind you out already. Where you go say TJ this and TJ that. The funny part about it is I'm glad it's not me them catch TJ really. Me just glad because I couldn't let him go. A body like that.
Well, those are reminisce on it, so.
Wow. You know the rain, yeah. Well, that's sweet now if Maya, you know what we are chatting about Maya just said, TJ, take out that here and rest in my throat. And let me talk, me nah let go this and not a pit on it. Yeah. That would have sweet. Aye, why you flying on my face? What if a TJ baby mother saying you? Tell me the truth now. When me can't see it, auntie, after that me put it out. You ask me when me can't see it, and then me put it out. Then how me finish by TJ cocky and circulate, more than I know say it's stuck in my phone. Hello? Hello? You ask me where you can't see it like I me put it out. But Kira can carry Shebada. Maya for just going go bum off it now, go bum it off. Me can't cost TJ in the argument here people. Me not think say TJ deserve hard bashing in this. God no, me not see it. I might have say X, Y, and Z, but me not see it.
Where you say?
Me just say a woman being a dog because me as a woman, me now go ever take a man we advertise him. Let me tell you something, my friend. Me can't see you walk with a man there, you know. And you and the man as couple and everybody know. And me and the man go look me, you know. And one thing make I can't it come like a married man. And me not post me not have 9 years so mine or 7.
Yeah.
Oh.
But the idea that how you
No, it doesn't say it's not because it's me. It doesn't say it's right. You understand me?
Yeah, but people still agree.
Yeah, but you have to go talk about it, you understand me, so that others don't fall prey to it. The more you embrace it, is the more others feel as if it's okay.
But everybody across TJ.
Everybody across TJ for what?
I mean, so who take him would put in a woman?
He did.
Okay.
He did. And rightfully so, he should. Because it would be a different story today if it was my bottom.
Jesus Christ, what do you, man?
No, it would be a different story. You understand what I say? It would be an extreme different story. So, I am saying this now. TJ is wrong. Right? TJ is so wrong. So why you have all these females flirting with people as a man? Why you have the females attacking the females instead of attacking them own man? TJ is wrong. Why me never beat a boy yet? Forgive me about why me always beat my mate them? TJ is wrong, you know.
Yeah.
But yet still I'm a mate them a beat. You see it?
Nah, beat the man.
Nah, beat the man, but him wrong. Somebody said, "Oh, you bottom dropping, Shebby."
Hey, but bueno, where you mix up?
That means is a woman and not a man.
That me say more, and that me say. But them a go like TJ and Maya married. Them a go like Maya breed for TJ.
I don't know.
Yeah.
You know that come like a TJ take Maya virginity.
And that them a want. That is why me no respect a girl we take a boy off of the internet. Me no respect that girl and that girl cannot get me respect. You see boy do them live, the reason why them do them live, them a sell them wood. You know see every boy a showcase them cocky. You know see it? Every boy a showcase a cocky print. You know see it? Fast advertisement. Fast advertisement. Let me tell you something. There is no possible way. They're false advertisement. False. Enough for the boy them where you see them in the marine and them little shots. Dingy. If you ever see them in a real life, them shots one crayon and one highlighter. Yeah, I'm okay them down. I'm a friend workplace Berger. For true. Them clothes a little bit and dingy. And you send them the first bills and them go grab 2 shots. So when you come, before you come and you open the suitcase, you see them look presentable and well trimmed up. You swear at somebody, my love. You should have come earlier when the community had beat Zing Fence and Pat Covey, that things the Brazil score. Tell you God bless the first thing them a look for you, tell you, oh you're cute, you're nice. Them a ask, you're a foreigner? Them ask, you're a foreigner? You depend. Full attention when you not send the money, them just you can't get them on the phone again. Then me could I really want one boy, you know, when me sit down and play a match every single day. Maya and TJ, they're the same workplace. Anything possible. Anything possible. Maya and TJ, they're the same workplace. Anything is possible. That's why Rosalie never want to get Jakes to work in our company. She never want Jakes come our workplace come work. And as Jakes come, Cheryl gone with him. If Urban bust the news, so what? Yeah. I not blame Urban for busting the news. Where Urban should have to keep it. No content people I make. I mean not take 14 plane. So what if Urban bust the news? That's it. These women love Croft. It's true. Them love Croft.